In this video, I'll show you how to find the two fuse boxes of your Volkswagen Jetta 2010-2017. So the first one is in the driver footwell. You see there's a panel. Gonna stick your finger under it and gonna pull towards yourself. On this panel itself, you're gonna have a small tool here that is very useful to pull out fuses. Like that, because your fuse panel will be located right there deep inside. That's the first one. Now, as I said in the beginning, there is a second fuse box, and that one is located under the hood. So pull out this latch and let's go check it out. So when you're over here, you're gonna locate the fuse box. It's on the right side. You see there's even some icons on the cover. You're gonna put one hand on the top and pull towards yourself. If you notice, there's a latch here. You just need to push it to unclip it, and then it comes right off. Once you do this, the fuse panel will be over here, and you also have some relays. Now, there's no small tool to remove the fuses, so you better remove the fuse panel on the driver's side. Take that small white tool and use it over here. Now, to put back the cover, you just have to align it and give it a good tap. Make sure it clicks so it does not come flying the next time you open the hood.